All right, so y'all, this is question 24 out of the review for test 2, and we're going to rewrite the equation of the circle in standard form. Okay, so look, y'all, step number 1, we're going to group our x's and y's together, okay? So what I mean by that, y'all, x squared, we're already kind of grouped, minus 12x, I'm going to leave a little space, y squared plus 20y, I'm going to leave it a little space, and y'all, I'm going to take that 127 and I'm going to move it over. So y'all, it's going to become a minus 127, okay? All right. Now, second thing we're going to do, step number 2, y'all, we're going to take half of the number in front of the x. And we're also going to do it in front of the y. Okay, so what I mean by that, the number in front of the x, negative 12. We're going to take half of it, negative 6. Now, what we're going to do with that number, y'all, we're going to square it. So we're going to take negative 6 squared, 36. We're going to put a plus 36 here. And on this side, y'all, I'm also going to put a plus 36. Okay? I'm going to repeat that process, y'all, with the number in front of the y. 20 divided by 2 is 10. Now we're going to take the number 10, we're going to square it, that's going to give me 100. I'll put 100 here, plus 100 here, okay? Now, step number 3, y'all. Step number 3, my friends, we're going to factor, okay? So look, we're going to see if we can factor this guy right here. So look, y'all, I'm looking for, I want to get x squared, right? So look, we're going to go like this, x and x. Okay, we're looking for two numbers that multiply to 36, but add up to a negative 12, minus 6 and minus 6, right? Okay, we're going to do the same thing here. We're going to factor. So we're going to go y and y, okay? We're looking for two numbers that multiply to 100 and add up to 20, 10 and 10, right? Now, y'all, since we have x minus 6 and x minus 6, we can write that as x minus 6 squared, right? Since we have y plus 10 and y plus 10, we can write that as y plus 10 squared. Now, one thing we talked about, y'all, when we were doing this in class, the number after you divide it by 2 is the number that's going to go right there. The number after we divide it by 2, it's going to go right there. Okay, so let's see, that's negative 127. That's positive 136, y'all. That's going to give me a 9, okay? So what are we going to write for our equation in standard form? Boom. That's going to be my equation in standard form, okay? Now remember, y'all, we want to find our center of our circle, okay? The center of the circle, y'all remember, we got to change these signs. So the center is going to be 6 and negative 10. And then my radius, y'all, is the square root of that number. And the square root of 9 is 3. Sorry, that doesn't look like a 3. Let's fix that. Here we go. And the radius is 3. So right here, let me I know I wrote some stuff, but I'm going to clean this up a little bit, y'all. So again, this equation will go right there. Our center, we said, was at 6 and minus 10, and our radius is 3. Okay? If y'all got any questions, let me know.